Calvin Institute, pioneers of coaching, turning dreams into reality. A premier institution helping the enthusiastic students to realize their career roadmap and achieve their goals since 2014. At Calvin, we believe that everyone has a right to dream, and any dream, no matter how big, can be realized with sheer will and proper guidance. We believe in giving out the best, and even our infrastructure designed to cater the requirement standards of a new age elite educational institution is no exception to this. Prioritizing the convenience of the students, our centers in Lakshminagar and Yamuna Vihar have been established within close proximity to the Nirman Vihar and Gokulpuri metro stations, respectively, for quick and easy commute. We take the careers of our students very rationally and understand that the lack of persistence in their age can prove to be rather catastrophic in their upcoming professional lives. With the installation of a fully automated and digitized attendance monitoring system and smart ID cards, we tend to inculcate the value of regularity and punctuality within our students. The exceptional achievements of our students in the national competitive exams every year simply adds features to our hat. The standards of our excellence have been growing non-stop since our foundation, and we are only becoming better each year. We believe in creating equal opportunity for one and all. That is why we host the Calvin Talent Search Exam, or KTSE, every year for the students of class 8th, 9th and 10th, giving scholarships worth up to 6.8 crores every year. We have professional counselors to help students in their academic, social and personal development. And with their overall career development, a team of counselors is dedicated to ensure that all our students are infused with the energy and skill to make their dreams come true. Our classrooms are fully air-conditioned and accommodate the latest technological gadgets. The students with in-depth understanding of any subject being taught within the respective classrooms. We also limit the batch size to a responsible number to ensure that all the students get personalized guidance from the faculty or group of teachers. Our faculties are committed to preparing the students for the upcoming challenges in their lives. They teach the students the never-give-up attitude with uber persistence. Special classes are held within the institute to clear up major topics and cumulative doubts. Separate slots are also assigned to the students for one-to-one doubt sessions for even better understanding. Our students are provided with well-curated and research study material to help them prepare with ace. Our creative design and publishing departments and experienced faculties dedicatedly create and publish study materials and test papers that helps the students identify and master the tactics of cracking an entrance exam. We incorporate periodic and phase-wise tests that are strategically scheduled throughout the respective coaching programs and are meant to cover all the subjects being taught in a particular phase of time. MCQ-based daily practice papers are handed over to the students after every class in order to help them recollect and accumulate all that has been taught for the day. Weekly tests are also held to enable the students monitor their respective progress and summarize their learning strategically. We generate detailed analysis reports of all the students based on the multiple assessments class activities, and numerous test papers. These reports not only mark the present status of the students' academic capabilities, but also help the teacher to guide the students personally by focusing on their weak subjects, even in the root of the topic. The students and their respective parents can also log in to our Android app that enables them to access and monitor the test papers, analysis reports, attendance, and other important aspects through their smartphones. We are concerned about the future of our students. That is why we strictly recruit all our faculties after exclusive screening followed by intense interviews. Having a PhD with years of experience is a must in order for anyone to be recruited as a faculty at Calvin.
Hi, I am Palak and I am preparing for the forthcoming medical entrance exams in the medical program at Calvin Institute. Calvin emphasizes on teaching us from the very basics. I am given DPP, that is daily practice papers, which are really helpful to revise the topic that has been taught in the class on regular basis. This really helps me to better grasp the understanding of subjective as well as objective questions. I also get access to the real-time analysis performance reports of all the tests that really help me to understand my present academic status and then plan my activities accordingly. Our faculties are so experienced and so supportive and help us individually. Groups as well as individual doubt sessions are organized to provide us with a better understanding of all the concepts. I never feel the need to read any more reference books as Calvin provides with the best study materials containing in-depth explanations to all the subjects and numerous solved and unsolved questions to refer to and practice. Even the ambience they maintain is admirable. They are so amazing that I get motivated to outperform in my academics just by being in the institute. Calvin is the best institute to prepare for any competitive entrance exam.
Hi everyone, my name is Gautam and I take a lot of pride in stating that my son Ankit is being academically groomed at the engineering program at Calvin. The most concerning thing for parents is the child's safety. But with Calvin's biometric attendance monitoring system and smart ID cards, I get notified as and when my child does not attend his classes. I can confidently say that my child has a secure career and future. Even the students portal and the Calvin Edge mobile app are extremely user friendly. They seamlessly help me track my wards performance even on my mobile, anytime and anywhere. Moreover, all their staff and faculties are very cooperative. They even have regular parent-teacher sessions which gives me a chance to get an in-depth perspective about the progress and behavior of my child. Calvin has so much to thank for, but most importantly, I would like to thank them for ensuring that my child has a secure and promising career. Thank you, Calvin.
We hold ceremonial celebrations to honor the hard work and achievements of our students every year on a special occasions and declaration of the results of national entrance exams. We understand that working hard also requires tender condition of the mind through sheer motivation and encouragement. Many such events are organized by us, hosting the rejuvenating seminars by the internationally acclaimed maestros like Chetan Bhagat and Shiv Khera. To future empower our students and encourage them to create an utopian society, we occasionally organize events like girl empowerment, self-defense and gender sensitization.
कैल्विन इंस्टीट्यूट द्वारा चलाए गए बेटी बचाएंगे बेटी पढ़ाएंगे कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत लवली पब्लिक स्कूल प्रियदर्शिनी विहार नई दिल्ली में बालिकाओं को आत्मरक्षा की प्राथमिक ट्रेनिंग दी गई। कैल्विन इंस्टीट्यूट का मानना है कि जब तक हम बेटियों को आत्म सुरक्षा की ट्रेनिंग नहीं देंगे, तब तक हम उनके अंदर आत्मबल और खुद पर भरोसे की भावना कभी नहीं ला पाएंगे। इस मौके पर बालिकाओं का उत्साह और कुछ नया सीखने की चाह देखते ही बनती थी।
With Calvin, you can choose to make a difference in your life. You can choose to make all your dreams come true. We are waiting for you.